shot this video during the month of April but was not able to upload it because of course the lack of time and my exams were going on, so sorry for the inconvenience. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to Saudi Arabia via Mumbai. So all our immigrations are done and we are waiting in the waiting area, and today we are fasting because it's the second last day of Ramadan, and still there's 1 hour more to break our fast. So let's see what happens. So this is the place where we are sitting at, and we're fasting and have to break our fast. I'm just waiting for the star, and this is my sister who told me to take her video.
Thank you for
Okay, so the line has started and we are going towards the airplane. The line was super big, but still we have reached to the end. So we have broken a fast. We have got a seat. I sat near the window. I love sitting near the window. And was really good. It was veg also, so I liked it very much, and it had the cashew taste. It was really good. So now let's break fruity. So it was really hard to open, and when it got open, ta-da! It fell. Clumsy Suzaan all the time. It was normal mango drink which was very sweet. It was okay because we were breaking a fast and I was really hungry, so I had no other option to drink. And then finally we reached Mumbai, and this is the Mumbai International Airport. Mumbai Airport, and this is the Mumbai Airport from the inside. It's the luggage area. So we were going towards our gate. And this is Mumbai ka duty free. We thought of buying stuff from here, but there was no time to buy. So we were in quite urgent.
So amazing.
And then this was towards our gate.
Mumbai. We have reached the Mumbai airport and we are feeling super hungry because we have not eaten anything after the iftar. Like for iftar only we had only a veg puff, and it's almost 10:30, so we have to have something. So now we are going to McDonald's, buy some veg aloo tikki burger. Okay, let's meet in the okay, bye. Okay, so I have taken my aloo tikki burger. So let's go towards the boarding. Let's go towards the departure gate. This is the cockpit, and we are going in. Our seat number is 25E. So let's go. Hello everyone. So we are on air from Mumbai to Daman airport. So we have taken off from the Mumbai airport, and I'm feeling super hungry because the last we had was our iftar. It's almost 11 now, and we did not have anything from 7 or 5. So let's have some McDonald's. So I've ordered So finally we have reached Saudi Arabia, my favorite place. I just love this place so much. And so finally we have arrived Saudi Arabia. And this is the exit of Saudi Arabia. The Aramco company. That is Noora and Abba. This is Ammi and Nuha, and these are the taxis which take people to their homes. Whoever wants taxi can take it from there. I guess these people are waiting for their taxis or cars to take them. And the flight was super rush, by the way. So the first thing to have is Alvik.
My.